The HONGBAKE Air Fryer Basket for oven is a great addition to any kitchen. It comes with 2 pieces. You get a non-stick baking pan and an air fry crisper tray. These accessories can help you cook many foods. The wide edge design makes it easy to handle. You can safely take food in and out of the oven door. This set is a valuable addition to your cooking supplies. Using the HONGBAKE Air Fryer Basket for oven feels like unlocking a new level of cooking. The non-stick surface is like a dream. Food doesn't stick, and cleanup is a dash. The air fry crisper tray lets air circulate. This helps your food get crispy, like it's been kissed by a gentle heat. It's perfect for making crispy fries or reheating leftovers. The gray color looks sleek and modern. This HONGBAKE Air Fryer Basket for oven is a simple yet effective tool. Overall, the HONGBAKE Air Fryer Basket for oven is a fantastic product. It offers good value and makes cooking easier. The 2 pieces work well together. They help you bake and air fry with one set. The wide edge is a thoughtful design. It prevents accidental spills and makes it easy to grip. If you want to upgrade your baking and air frying experience, this HONGBAKE Air Fryer Basket for oven is a solid oferta. It's a practical and useful addition to your kitchen. Pros: fits in oven, non-stick pan, crisper tray, 2 pieces, air frying, wide edge, gray color. Baking pan, easy to clean, good size. Cons: might be smaller than expected, could take longer to cook, not ideal for large batches. Requires oven use, basket needs shaking, can be harder to clean, food might not cook evenly. Potential for sticking, takes up oven space, limited to certain foods. Features: for oven use, non-stick pan, crisper tray, 2 pieces, wide edge, gray color, easy to clean. Durable build, versatile use. This HONGBAKE set has 2 gray pieces for oven air frying. It includes a non-stick pan and a crisper tray. The wide edge makes it easy to handle. These pieces are easy to clean and made to last. You can use them in different ways for cooking. This gray HONGBAKE set comes with a non-stick baking pan and a crisper tray with a wide edge. Designed as oven accessories for air frying. Being 2 pieces, it fits inside your oven and is easy to clean. However, it might be smaller than you expect, could take longer to cook food, and isn't the best for large amounts of food. You need to use your oven with it, and the basket might need shaking for even cooking, which can sometimes be harder to clean, and food might stick. Also, it takes up space in your oven and might not work well for all types of food.